Hi, in front of me is Realme 7 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply LED keyboard on this device. Firstly, open Play Store, then type LED keyboard and download this app from this developer. Now open it, click Get Started and tap OK. Then click on the switcher next to LED keyboard, choose Activate and tap Input Options. Go with LED keyboard again and over here pick the one that you like the best by tapping on it. I will go with that one. So now all you need to do is click Download Theme. Close an ad, and now, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!